Bigyan muna natin lahat. Mabilisan. Without holding the balloon, ha? You will come here without holding the balloon. Okay. Lahat may balloon na? Everybody have balloons? Okay. Be careful, ha? That's why we called all the seafarer. I know you know about safety, right? Be careful. Do not run. Magalit si Captain Ted. Do not run. Just walk. Okay? Sir, atras, atras. Dapat equal kayo, ha? Please count. Mind your numbers. O, sample. Obi. Dito ka tayo. Okay, dito ka. Ayan, iikot kayo sa kanila. Ayan. Okay. One more. Sir Oscar, poste. Poste, poste.
Go, Dada, you cheer. Cheer, Dada. Go, Dada, go. Louder, louder.
Captain Abakan Ken.
Say, go, Dada, go. Go, Dada, go.
Once I said go, then you will
Where is Dada?
Where's Dada? You point Dada ko. Point
You
Dada.
point Dada.
Point Dada ko.
ikot, ikot. Okay? Then go back. Next. Without holding, ha? I told you, no holding. Please do not hold your team member, okay? And so forth and so on. And once you are complete, one MOL.
Do not hold your balls. Okay?
Okay. Clear? Clear na? Okay, ito na. Ready? O, practice now. One. Ready, get set, go! Oh, next. Wait, wait. Isa muna, sir. Isa muna. Isa muna. Okay, ready, get set, go! Music, please. Dandahan, sabi ko sa Diyos, si Fader, ha? Okay. Diretso na yan, diretso. Okay. Dandahan. Ikot, talikod, talikod. Ganda ng mga prices natin. Safety is the best policy.